fáilte rómhaigh chum ceoil na Féile Pádraig, beim Virginia seoga can tamil, ceoil mBéarla, ceoil nGaeilge, bhfuil suas poirt agus rud tásúlung go bhainna sibh soltas.
Welcome in and a big happy St. Patrick's Day as part of the Spring Festival here with Féile and Football. Just want to wish you all a very happy St. Patrick's Day and hope you enjoy the songs from us, the McCorry's, along with our very special guest as usual, Seán Óg. So we're going to start with a couple of reels and we'll go into this song after. So I hope you all enjoy it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, and the share hackten tauri. Shida bahavan berlin, where we agara, the way, give the boy, bra, shilla merda, is the cheoltóirí leis nGaeilge. Is oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, and the share hackten tauri. The grania whale it's out caslan the hog the armadillo the we get it fancy in the money. This Scottish Earraigh Galle is oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, and the share hackten tauri. How we the arena varga vega more than in the Scotland. Grania whale agus me the guys yeah. Hey focus on their Galle. Hey oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, oro shida bahualde, and the share hackten tauri. Hey oro shida bahualde, barlong to na kid bowanya, oro shida bahualde, and the share hackten tauri.
lively start there with a couple of reels. The Mountain Road, the Concertina reel, Cooley's reel, followed by O Roshi de Bhaha Wallace, Scríofa Pádraig Mac Corraidh, written by Patrick Pierce. So please stay at home and please stay safe and enjoy this great event that the Féile have once again put on for us. So we're going to go on to a wee song about the Irish people going to work in England, especially laying the roads in England. It's a song called England's Motorway.
Sure, and my ceoil fada, and the first time I heard this song was, would you believe, in about 1970, Luke Kelly singing this song on the bottom of our street, down the bottom of Sultan Street. A wee song called My Little Son. Oh, come, my little son, and I will tell you what we'll do. Undress yourself and get in the bed, and I'll tell to you. It's all about your daddy, he's a man you seldom see. For he's had to roam far away from home, far away from you and me. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away. In the cold and heat, all the hours of the week, on England's motorway. Now when you fall and hurt yourself and get a feeling bad, it isn't any good to go a-running for your dad. For the only time since you were born he's had to spend with you. He was out of a job, he hadn't the bob, he was working on the road.
Yes, he is.
Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away. In the cold and heat, all the hours of the week, on England's motorway. I'm sure we'd like your daddy here, I'm sure it would be fine to have him working near home and to see him all the time. But beggars can't be choosers, and we'll have to bear the load. For we need the money that daddy earns from working on the road. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away. For in the cold and the heat, all the hours of the week, on England's motorway. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, and he'll soon be home to stay. For a week or two with me and you when we took the motorway. My little son.
Sure, what's St. Patrick's Day without a bacon sandwich to start it off? Big thanks to Fiona and my mummy there for coming out with the bacon sandwiches on St. Patrick's Day. What a way to start the day. Right, we're going to go to Fiddler's Green with the next one. It's a beautiful fishing song.
1, 2. As I walk by the dockside one evening so rare, to view the still water and take the salt air, I hear an old fisherman singing a song. Won't you take me away, boys, my time is not long. Wrap me up in the oilskins at the upper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now Fiddler's Green is a place I've heard tell, where fishermen go if they don't go to hell, where the skies are all clear and the dolphins do play, and the Gold Coast of Greenland is far, far away. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Wrap me up in the oilskins and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mate, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. When you get up the docks and the long trip is through, there's pubs and there's clubs and there's lassies there too, where the girls are all pretty and the beer is free, and there's bottles of rum growing on every tree. Wrap me up in me oilskins and the upper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now I don't want a harp nor a halo, not me. Just give me the breeze on the good floating tree, and I'll play me old squeeze box as we sail along, with the wind in the rigging to sing me a song. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumper, no more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green.
Fiddler's Green, Gurmila Maiget. Right, we'll speed her up this time a wee song. Paddy lay back. It's a cold and frosty morning in December, when all of me money it was spent. Where it went to, oh Lord, I can't remember. So down to the ship and off this went. St. Paddy lay back, taking your slack. Take your turn, put on your caps and leave for port. A bow ship for England, boys, be handy. We're bound for Valparaiso in the morn. Last night there was a great demand for sailors, the colonies for Frisco and for France. So I jumped aboard a ship they call the Hotspur. Was paralytic drunk before I left. St. Paddy lay back, taking your slack.
Take your turn, put up your caps and leave for port.
A bow ship for England, boys, be handy. We're bound for Féile in the morn. There were Frenchmen, there were Germans, there were Russians. There was Jolly Jack, came all the way from France. Not one of them could speak a word of English. They'd answer to the name of Billerdan.
Sing Paddy lay back, taking your shellac. Take your turn, put on your caps and leap aboard.
A bow ship for England, boys, be handy. We're bound for Féile in the horn. One, lads!
St. Paddy lay back, taking your sack. Take your turn, put on your cap and leap aboard. A bow ship for England, boys, be handy. We're bound for Féile in the morn.
I woke up the next morning sick and sore. Wished I'd never sailed away again. Then a voice came tumbling to the floor. Get up and pay attention to your name.
St. Paddy lay back,
St. Paddy lay back,
taking your slack.
taking your slack.
Take your turn, put up your caps and leap aboard. A bow ship for England, boys, be handy. We're bound for Féile in the horn.
I wish I was back in the Jolly Sailor with Molly or Kitty on me knee. Now I see that most men are sailors, and with me flipper and wipe away my tear.
St. Paddy lay back,
St. Paddy lay back,
taking your slack.
taking your slack.
Take your turn, put up your caps and leap aboard. A bow ship for England, boys, be handy. We're bound for Féile in the morn. St. Paddy lay back,
Paddy lay back,
taking your slack.
taking your slack.
Take your turn, put up your caps and leap aboard.
A bow ship for England, boys, be handy. We're bound for Féile in the horn. Yeah, we're bound for Féile in the horn. Paddy lay back. That's for all the paddies out there on St. Paddy's Day. We're going to slow it down this time. A song written by Phil Coulter about his hometown in Derry. So, it's for any of the Derry ones listening in. We'll give us a special shout out to our cousins, the Harrises up in the Bogside, if they're listening along. So,
The Lucky Road.
the Lucky Road, sir. And anyone else up in Derry, County Derry, Derry City, South Derry, East Derry, wherever you are. Sure, you'll enjoy this one.
So Seán and the McCorry's like a tanner, Carragher agus Condaire. In my memory, I will always see the town that I have loved so well, where school played ball by the grassy yard wall, and we played through the smoke and the smell. Running home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways, in the town I love so well.
In the early morning, the shirt factory horn called women from Craic, the moor and the ball, while the men on the dole played a mother's role, fed the children and then walked the dog. And when times got tough, there was just about enough, but they saw it through without complaining. For deep inside was a burning pride in the town I loved so well. But when I return, how my eyes they did burn to see how a town could be brought to its knees by the armored cars and the bombed out bars and the gas that hangs on to every tree. Now the army's installed by that old gas yard wall, and the down barbed wire gets higher and higher. With their tanks and their guns, oh my God, what have they done to the town I love so well? There was music there in the dairy air, like a language that we could all understand. I remember the day when I earned my first pay, when I played in a small pickup band. There I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I was sad to leave it all behind me, for I learned about life, and I found me a wife in the town I love so well. Now the music's gone, but we still carry on, for their spirits been bruised, never broken, and they'll not forget, for their hearts they are set on tomorrow and peace once again. For what's done is done, and what's won is won, and what's lost, it's lost and gone forever. We can only pray for a bright brand new day in the town that I love so well. Phil Coulter na tunnel of so well. So long go into sultas.
Galda.
O seo óran na dóma fada láhain na ríméir scoil. Agus beidir go rólam seo bhéine. A wee song, I'm sure you might have learned it in school. Nóraveg carótar se dúirt mo 1 mílam sa góla tí tabranis go fólam coscim dása. And it goes something like this.
Go hair den a páisí mar ang sa fásta tá seo acu. Bígí dása bígí bhfuil bos go bí rud a bhall mbliana.
An Nóraveg carótar se dúirt mo 1 mílam sa góla tí tabranis go fólam coscim dása.
Gisimma Laura, gisimma stuma Craig, simma Laura, stuma story, hemshe tutten halla.
Bachelin Nora, Pishigas Boner,
Bachelin Nora,
Brandy, Bachelin Nora, Pretty Rossi, so Nora and Jim. Gisimma Nora, simma stuma Craig, simma Nora, stuma story, hemshe tutten halla. Welcome Tishkin, Yella Pishin, Carding Argonali. Bearing this frisky peg is frisky spinning got Yalgal.
Simma Nora, simma stuma Craig, simma Nora, stuma storning, tamish dunten rala.
Simma Nora,
simma stuma Craig,
simma Nora, stuma storning, tamish dunten rala. Senora veg carotter there,
Viva Gola Gary.
Baby, I got in and shin the people that back us a wally. It's in Nora,
it's in my stuma Craig,
Simma Nora, stuma story, time and shit up the grala.
Nóraveg carótar se dúirt mo 1 mílam sa góla tí tabranis go fólam coscim dása. Simma Nora, simma stuma Craig, simma Nora, stuma story, tamish dunten rala.
And Nóraveg carótar doima góla gali.
Baby, I got in and shin the people that back us a wally.
Orainn ar a channos ar a níjog. Sé fáma uirtha. Toon's going to sing going to play a lovely air here on the whistle. Beautiful air called Sé fáma uirtha. And it comes with great accreditation. Has a history, this one.
Does.
Right. Struck lad.
in the slow to fire is gone, a close shot on the sleeve. She's is mra, a craic gland is a bra, a bhanna bhfuil. Ta fairs in a rust, it's fame in August as shit mouth, rawal mandur. Marta Roddy McCorry's golden fight, Earraigh from you. And ye sunrise a Kangahar, dog roll sunflower agree. Agus rope across the be filled shit up, back organ. Neil Dorn and Neil in a hole of clay as you'd love up when you're going. Poirt Roddy McCorryh golden fight, Earraigh from you. The Beation's ride the Coachella, agus speed na love the tune. In a year and year between far fear, agus stock as hard and agree. Ga handsome glosh and ween ga book, a session they can run through. Arthur Roddy McCorryh golden fight, Earraigh from you.
Roddy McCorryh. Right. This next song's a Scottish song. It's going to give us a wee bit of hope from spring into summer, and a bit of hope that the bars will be open soon. This summer time, it's coming. The trees are sweet blooming. The wild mountain thyme rolls around the blooming heather. You go, lassie, go. We'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. We go, lassie, go. I will build my love a tower by young pure crystal fountain, and on its side will grow all the flowers of the mountain. We go, lassie, go. And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. We go, lassie, go. love if she were gone. I'd surely find another to pluck white mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, oh lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck white mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Here we go. Go lassie, go. Beautiful song now called Peggy Gordon, especially for any Peggies out there.
Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit ye down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. I'm so in love that I cannot deny it. My heart lies smothered in my breast, but it's not for you to let the world know it. A troubled mind can know no rest. I put my head to a cask of brandy. It was my fancy, I do declare, for when I drink it, I'm always thinking and wishing Peggy Gordon was here. And I wish I was in some lonesome valley where womankind cannot be found, where the little birds They sing upon the branches, and every moment's a different sound. Oh, Peggy Gordon is to my story. Paris Seedom in Seán is our known Ken Fagajira. Earraigh to meascán agamar. Peggy Gordon.
Right, we're going to play a couple of jigs, a couple of poirt. Na ceann agus an rógradh. No, nógradh. Ceann agus an rógradh.
I took my love out for a walk in the merry month of May. The birds were singing sweetly as we gazed along our way. She said she loved me dearly, and to me she wouldn't be true. If you will go with me, my love, sure I will go with you. We strolled along the dam, the birds sang loud and gay. Was there I met my little brunette, she stole me heart away. Her cheeks they were like roses, and her skin was white as snow. She was the darling of my heart, and the pride of Springfield Road. Now we'll be getting married, for she is named today, and happy we'll be together as we go along our way. We'll have a tiny little house and a cottage for the till, and we'll bring our children up like us to work in the cotton mill. We strolled along the dam, the birds sing loud and gay. Was there I met my little brunette, she stole my heart away. Her cheeks they were like roses, and her skin was white as snow. She was the darling of my heart, the bright as Springfield Road. Now bid yous all good evening, for now I must away. I'm off to see your parents and to hear what they might say. I'll hope they'll treat me kindly and a glass or two to fill, and we'll wish their brother bring home the work in a cotton mill. We strolled along the dam, the birds sing loud and gay. Was there I met my little brunette, she stole me heart away. Her cheeks they were like roses, and her skin was white as snow. She was the darling of my heart, the pride of Springfield Road. Yes, she was the darling of my heart, the pride of Springfield Road. The pride of Springfield Road.
We're going to slow it down this time with a lovely song by the Furies. And it's for all the mothers out there, or for anyone who's lost a mother, and maybe a certain song brings back the memory of their mother. So, beautiful song called I Remember You Singing That Song, Ma. Was it written by Finbar? And this is special to Rachel. Especially for Toon's girlfriend Rachel and all the family who've recently lost a mother. So, and I know Lisa loved the Furies.
I remember you singing this song, Ma. I remember how you blushed when you smiled. All love has a way of never letting go. Silly teardrops, they're filling my eyes. I remember when Father would sing this old song. He would tease you to sing along. He would sing out a key, just as happy as could be. I wonder if he's singing you now. I remember the day my mother passed on. My father had gone just a while. I sat in the church and I listened to all. From a distance I heard this old song. You remember you singing this song, Ma. I remember how you blushed when you smiled. All love has a way of never letting go. Silly teardrops are filling my eyes. I wonder if he's teasing you now, ma. I wonder if he's holding your hand. For love has a way of never letting go. Sure, I know you're together somehow. Da 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 la la da 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 da. Yes, love has a way of never letting go. Your teardrops are filling my eyes.
Callanta. Right, we're going to speed her up a wee bit after that last beautiful song there from the Furies. A couple of songs you all know to get the feet going, to get the hands going on this St. Patrick's Day. High upon the gallows tree swung the noble hearted three, the vengeful tyrant stricken in their bloom. They met him face to face, the courage of the race. They went with swords and daunted to their doom. And God save Ireland, said the hero. God save Ireland, said the hero. Whether on the scaffold high, the battlefield we tie, what banner went for air and there we fall. Never till latest day shall the memory pass away of the gallant lives that are given for our land. Ah, but on the cause we'll go amidst the joy, the weal and woe. We'll make our land a nation free and grand. And God save Ireland, said the hero. God save Ireland, said the all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, what banner went for here and there we fall. Climb they up the rugged stair, right voices heard in prayer, then England's fatal cord around them cast. And close beside the gallows tree, kissed like brothers lovingly, true to home and faith and freedom to the last. Come on! And God save Ireland, said the hero. God save Ireland, said the all. Whether on the scaffold high, the battlefield we tie, what manner went for here and there we fall. Where live? And God save Ireland, said the hero. God save Ireland, said the all. Whether on the scaffold high, the battlefield we tie, what banner went for here and there we fall. A realm of cruel foes, still the courage proudly rose, fought of hearts that loved them far and near. All the millions true and brave, for the ocean's swelling rave, the friends in holy Ireland ever dear. And God save Ireland, said the hero. God save Ireland, said the all. Whether on the scaffold high, the battlefield we die, what banner went for higher and there we fall. This land is your land, this land is my land. From northern highlands to the western highlands, from the hills of Kerry to streets of free Derry. This land was made for you and me. As I went walking the Shannon waters, hand in hand with my little daughter, heard the church bells ringing, the children singing. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From the northern highlands to the western islands, from the hills of Kerry, the streets of free Derry. This land was made for you and Rosary. Madly, lovely.
I dreamed I saw Joe Hill last night, alive as you and me. Says I, but Joe, you're 10 years dead. I never die, said he. I never die, said he. In Salt Lake, Joe, my God, says I, in standing by my bed, they framed you on a murder charge, says Joe, but I ain't dead, says Joe, but I ain't dead. Yes, the copper bosses killed you, Joe. They killed you, Joe, says I. Takes more than guns to kill a man, says Joe. I didn't die, says Joe. I didn't die. I'm standing there as big as life, and smiling with his eyes. Joe says what they forgot to kill went on to organize, went on to organize. Joe Hill ain't dead, he says to me. Joe Hill ain't ever died. We're working men are out on strike. Joe Hill, he's by their side. Joe Hill is by their side. And from San Diego up to Maine, in every mine and mill, we're workers' rights and organised. Says he, you'll find Joe Hill. Says he, you'll join Joe Hill. He'll make a walk with Joe Hill the rare. Cabiola tains lam hain. A geochrí tá tú mbliana faoin náid. Earraigh me riúidir sé. Earraigh me riúidir sé.
If you thought Johnny's talents ended with a whistle and the guitar,
You're right.
you're wrong. Ball hí na touch agus Athol Highlanders. Well, hope you're all having a great St. Patrick's Day. This next song, you'll definitely want to sing along to this one.
Last night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by, me mind being bent on rambling to Ireland I did fly. I stepped on board a vision and I followed with the will, till next I came to Earraigh across his Spancel Hill. Delighted by the novelty, enchanted by the scene, wherein my early boyhood, where oft times I had been, I thought I heard a murmur, and I think I hear it still. It's the little stream of water that flows down by Spancel Hill. I went to see my neighbours, to see what they might say. Well, the old ones were all dead and gone, and the young ones had turned grey. I met with a tailor quickly, he's as bold as ever still. Sure, he used to make me riches when I lived in Spancel Hill. I went to see my Mary, she's a girl I do adore. She's as white as any lily and as gentle as a dove. I threw her arms around me saying, "Ah, Johnny, I love you still." Sure, she's Nell, the farmer's daughter, the pride of Spancel Hill.
Right.
harbour wall, I heard a young girl calling, "Oh, Michael, they are taking you away, for you stole Trevelyan's corn, so the young might see the morn. Now a prison ship lies waiting in the bay, and though lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly, our love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry." By lonely harbour wall, she watched the last star falling, as that prison ship sailed out against the sky. But she'll live and hope and pray for her love, dear Botany Bay. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry, and low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. By lonely harbour wall, I heard a young girl calling, "Oh, nothing matters, Mary, when we're free. Against the famine and the crown, I rebelled, they put me down. Now you must raise our child with dignity." And low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, with dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry.
Lovely. Two. We song now about whiskey. Get you all singing along now, saying you're happy and you're clapping and stamping and drinking and enjoying St. Patrick's Day. So we song called Whiskey in the Jar. As I was going over the Cork and Kerry mountains, met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol, then produced my rapier. Said stand up and deliver, for you are a bold sea.
I'm a shirring of a door of a da. What for my daddy-o? What for my daddy-o? There's whiskey in the jar. I counted out the money, it made a pretty penny. I put it in my pocket and I took it home to Ginny. She swore and she said that she never would deceive me, but the devil take the woman, for you know they can't be easy. Mushering of a doomada. What for my daddy-o? What for my daddy-o? There's whiskey in the jar.
It was early in the morning, just before I rose to travel. Here comes a man, a footman, and likewise Captain Farrell. I first produced my pistol, then produced my rape. I couldn't shoot the water, so a prisoner I was taken.
I'm a shirring of a door of a da. What for my daddy-o? What for my daddy-o? There's whiskey in the jar. Some take the light in the carriages rolling, others take the light in the burling and the holding. I take the light in the juice of the hand. I couldn't pretty fair mates in the morning bright and early, mushering of a doomada. What for my daddy-o? What for my daddy-o? There's whiskey in the jar. Mushering of a door of a da. What for my daddy-o? What for my daddy-o? There's whiskey in the jar.
If anyone could aid me, it's my brother in the army. I could find a station up in Cork or in Killarney. Me and him a go rolling in Kilkenny. He's sure to treat me better than that old sporting Jenny.
I'm a shirring of a door of a da. Work for my daddy-o, work for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I'm a shirring of a door of a da. Work for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. It was a morning in July, I was walking through the prairie, when I heard the battle cry from the mountains overhead. When I looked up in the sky, saw my soldier laddie. He looked at me fearlessly and said,
Oh, what he say?
Oh, will you stand up a man like a true Irishman and go and fight the forces of the crown? Will you march with O'Neill to an Irish battlefield, for tonight we're gonna free old Wexford town? And said I to that soldier boy, will you take me to your captain? It would be my pride and joy for to march with you today. My young brother fell at Cork, my son and a Scotty. Unto the noble captain I did say, I will stand if a man like a true Irishman and go and fight the forces of the crown. I will march with O'Neill to an Irish battlefield, for tonight we're gonna free old Wexford town. As we march back home again, in the shadow of the evening, with our banners flying low to the memory of our dead, we return unto our homes, but without our soldier laddie, I never will forget the words he said.
What he say?
Oh, will you stand in the band like a true Irishman and go and fight the forces of the crowd.
Upside down.
Will you march with O'Neill to an Irish battlefield? For tonight we're gonna free old Wexford town. And there's my G string away. So that's
And there's a string gone, and that's time for us to say, E-Hawaii. Hope you all enjoyed that, and please stay tuned to the Féile page. We'll hand you over to the great hands of the rapperies. Enjoy the rest of your St. Patrick's Day. Big thanks to the Bones on the camera, to Chris on the sound, and to all the Féile staff, for Kevin and all the rest of the staff for having us again. Garamila Maigav, and enjoy the rest of St. Patrick's Day.
And Fiona on the bacon buddies. What do you call them? Bacon buddies.